In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create QR codes for your Shopify products. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. If you're not already on the dashboard, click Home so you're on the main overview screen. From the left sidebar, open Apps. In the search field, type Shopcodes. This is Shopify's official app for generating QR codes that point directly to products. When you see Shopcodes in the results, select it to open the app listing. On the app page, review the details if you'd like, then proceed to install. Click Install, and when Shopify asks for confirmation, click Install again to grant the necessary permissions. Once the app finishes installing, open it from your Apps section by clicking Shopcodes. Inside the Shopcodes app, choose Create Shopcode. First, enter a clear, descriptive title. This title helps you identify your QR code later, especially if you make several for different products or campaigns. Next, choose Product as the item you want the code to link to, and then click Select Product. Browse or search your catalog, pick the product you want, and click Add to attach it to this shopcode configuration. Now set the scan behavior. Click Scan Destination to reveal the options, then choose Discount. This setting is great for promotions because it can automatically apply a discount when someone scans the code and checks out. It's a smart way to track redemptions and encourage conversions from print materials or in-person displays. Add a helpful message by clicking Help Text. This short line appears with the QR code on printouts. Keep it simple and action-oriented, like a prompt to scan and save. Clear copy boosts engagement and reduces confusion, especially for customers new to QR codes. When everything looks good, click Save. Shopify will generate the shopcode for your selected product using the settings you chose. Open the newly created entry to review the details. If you notice anything you want to tweak, maybe the title, the destination behavior, or the help text, click Edit Shopcode and make your changes. You can revisit and refine these settings anytime without recreating the code from scratch. A quick tip while you're wrapping up. Keep your QR code size large enough to scan easily, leave some white space around it, and test it with a couple of phones before you print in bulk. Placing the code on packaging, in-store signage, and flyers works well, and using the discount destination helps you measure how effective each placement is. That's it. Your QR code is ready to use on your Shopify product.